Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. I got two items in here, and one of them is the crystal hair eraser by ANTAND company. It's a Bleam crystal hair remover, magic painless exfoliation hair remover tool for men or women. You can use it on your arm, legs, back, or anywhere that you want to remove the hair. It is eco-friendly, reusable for your smooth, silky skin. So I'd like to give a shout out to Darren from their marketing team for sending me this. So be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And then the second item is the car door clip panel trim removable toolkit. And with this item I purchased with my own money. It is a 9-piece prying tool. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So this one's the crystal hair removal or eraser right here. I got the gold color. They got the metallic blue one or the black color on the Amazon website. And here's the instruction right here. I'm gonna clean it before use it, and then better use after take a shower. Slight circle running, don't do it too hard. And then you're gonna clean the residual hair after removal. Use some lotion for moisture skin. Enjoy your smooth skin. So some people, they kind of complain about the irritation. So make sure if your skin is sensitive, you're gonna put some lotion after you erase your hair. Okay? So be sure to follow the instructions so you can do it correctly. Oh, they come with the bag too. Nice. Wow. Nice finish. So this is a good shape, so you can hold it nicely. So it has a special texture design. I feel like it's like grabbing my skin, so almost like a sandpaper texture like. So yeah, we're gonna do some tests real quick. And this is the 9-piece prying tool kit. it's nice that come with the pouch, so you gotta organize all your tools. Yeah, the reason I got this kit because this one has like a metal. Sometimes you use this plastic one, it might break. Just don't leave it out in the sun too long. So one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think last time I broke one of these because when I try to pry it out, some of this thing got bent. Right here is kind of thin, so I gotta be careful. So yeah, let's go ahead and test this one out real quick and see. Alright, so I'm going to rinse it real quick with water, give it a wash. So it says better to use it after the shower, so I'm going to wet my leg real quick and then test this out. Wow, it did come out. Wow, it really works. Wow, look at that. Well, anyway, as you can see, it really works. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.